Economics. Economics is a social science concerned with the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. It studies how individuals, businesses, governments, and nations make choices about how to allocate resources. Economics focuses on the action of human beings based on assumptions that humans act with rational behavior seeking the most optimal level of benefit or utility. The building blocks of economics are the studies of labor and trades. Since there are many possible applications of the human labor in many different ways to acquire resources, it is the task of economics to determine which method yield the best result. Economics can generally be broken down into macroeconomics, which concentrates on the behavior of the economy as a whole, and microeconomics, which focuses on individual people and businesses. Economics is the study of how people allocate scarce resources for production, distribution, and consumption, both individually and collectively. Two major types of economics are microeconomics, which focuses on the behavior of individual consumers and producers, and macroeconomics, which examine overall economies on a regional, national, or international scale. Economics is especially concerned with efficiency in production and exchange and uses models and assumptions to understand how to create incentives and policies that will maximize efficiency. Economists formulate and publish numerous economic indicators such as gross domestic product GDP and CPI, Consumer Price Index. Capitalism, socialism, and communism are types of economic systems. Types of economics. The study of economics is generally broken down into two disciplines: microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics focuses on how individual consumers and firms make decisions. These individuals' decisions making units can be a single person, a household, a business organization, or a government agency, analyzing certain aspects of human behavior. Microeconomics tries to explain how they respond to change in price and why they demand what they do at particular price level. Microeconomics tries to explain how and why different goods are valued differently, how individuals make financial decisions, and how individuals best trade, coordinate, and cooperate with one another. Microeconomics topics range from the dynamic of supply and demand to the efficiency of cost associated with the producing goods and services. They also include how labor is divided and allocated, how business firms are organized and function, and how people approach uncertainty, risk, and strategic game theory. Macroeconomics. Macroeconomics studies an overall economy on both a national and international level using highly aggregated economics data and variable to model and the theory of economy. Its focus can include a distinct geographical region, a country, a continent, or even the whole world. Its primary areas of study are recurrent economic cycles and broad economic growth and development. Topic studies include foreign trade, government fiscal and monetary policy, unemployment rate, the level of inflation and interest rate, the growth of total production output as reflected by change in GDP and business cycle that results in expansions, booms, recession, and depressions. Micro and macroeconomics are intertwined. Aggregate macroeconomics phenomena are obviously and literally just the sum total of microeconomics phenomena. However, these two branches of economics use very different theories, models, and research methods, which sometimes appears to conflict with each other. Integrating the microeconomics foundation into macroeconomics theory and research is a major area of study in itself for many economists.